If your function needs a comment, it's bad. When I say function, I mean the business logic function, the moneymaker. Function name must explain what the function does, because whenever you see the function called in your code, you want to know exactly what is happening inside. Don't make me think about what the calc function does with orders. Naming your function this way also prevents you from writing too complex functions. In TypeScript, you can shorten your function names if you pass JSON object as a parameter instead of passing unnamed parameters. This way you don't have to name your function findManyByAuthor. You can call it findManyBy, and then you can just pass the author as an object property. And yes, it is impossible to write only small, simple function and have a working application. At some point, you will have a complex requirement. But this is easy solvable by introducing new outer layer in your business layer. I call it use case, which is actually an orchestration layer, which doesn't have a business logic inside it, but it calls other business logic functions. This way, we can have a shorter use case function name, but we can easily read the body because each function that is being called, in its name, it explains what it does, and we are reading the orchestration function like a book. These use case functions can be accompanied by documentation outside our code. This also plays well with an idea that you never edit your code. If you need a new functionality, you create a new function. And if you don't need the old one, you remove it. You actually don't need to create a new function. By changing the name of the function, it is like you created a totally new function. This forces you to go through your code and rename the function everywhere it was used, and you can easily discover if the new functionality plays well with the rest of the code. The only comments I use are the to-do comments that have a clear end-of-life info, and I like to connect them to ticket number so we can easily track them outside our code.